You can change his.
Oh, you're videoing, aren't you?
I think I am. I think.
Yeah.
Say something.
Say something.
I almost got kicked in.
No.
You nearly kicked me in the balls! In England, we say that's nearly kicked in the private area. So here we are in Clovis, New Mexico, by the train wreck. As you can see,
The train wreck.
1905. 1905. I don't know what that means. There's also a ladder going up to the train. It says, "Please do not touch or climb the train."
I'm gonna post this.
Stupid why they've got a ladder there, so I don't know why.
I just climbed on it, so
Seika here. If
wasn't my fault.
She's a bit camera shy. She just had a photograph taken at the dinner table. She was like this.
Not funny.
So yes, I think we need to head off to the mall. The mall in England we call it a shopping centre. Sumito's just dropped his guts. In England we call that blowing raspberries or a fart. Yeah, my name's Andrew Wheaten, this in Clovis, New Mexico, and we're out.
Still going.
Can you stop recording?
Kick him back there. Oh.
I think she's still recording.